Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tools. Open Jabref, load your bib library, and verify Java is current so citation integration works. Next, configure the site key pattern and check each entry's required fields so Word will render references correctly. Once done, enable the OpenOffice/LibreOffice or Microsoft Word integration plugin in Jabref. This registers the connector that you'll use inside Word. Make sure Jabref and Word can communicate before. With Word open and the connector active, place your cursor where a citation belongs and use the Jabref toolbar or plugin button to invoke the search dialog. You can type author, year, or a citation key to find the right entry quickly. Pick the matching result and check the preview for format. Then insert the in-text citation. Word will place a field linked to Jabref. Make sure you choose the correct citation style so the citation appears as you expect before building the bibliography. To finish, insert the bibliography from the plugin menu. Word will generate a linked list from your cited entries and format it per the chosen style. Once inserted, update document fields to ensure all citations and the bibliography refresh consistently. If something goes wrong, check that each bib entry has required fields and that the citation style is correct. Then restart Word and Jabref and re-establish the connector. A common tip: rebuild the citation cache by resaving the bib library and reloading the plugin to resolve sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.